Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. As soon as like Q4, like I can smell it in the air, my shopping addiction just goes out of control. So today I thought I would share some of the things I've been buying lately. Thank you so much, Skippy, for drinking water right as I turn on the camera. Anyway, I'm so excited to share everything with y'all. It's a bunch of random things, like from Halloween decor to Christmas decor to random toddler things to baby boy clothes, so many things. So let's get into it. This mirror is like my dimple out to play. I don't know, blogger influencer on Instagram, her name's Maddie Nelson, and she came out with a collab with the Style collection, which I've never shopped at, but everything was on sale. It still is, thank God, because I hate sharing something like full price after I buy it on sale. I got a robe for me and a robe for Olivia in this like super cutie strawberry print. As someone who owns Barefoot Dreams and Barefoot Dream dupes, this is identical and it might be one of the best dupes I've found. I think Olivia's robe was like $26 and mine was like $50, and then look how cute we look. I can't handle it. And then I got some blankets. I got Olivia the strawberry blanket for her room now that she's sleeping in her big girl bed, and I got myself for my office this really pretty, they call it peach, but it's like a very light pink. I'm so excited. I made y'all a promise when I said I was having a boy that I would find cute baby boy clothes. Look at this super sweet periwinkle little onesie. This is it's a newborn size. If something this big comes out of me, I might lose my mind. Just letting y'all know. But I thought this would be perfect for newborn photos, even though it has a ton of buttons and I am no longer a first-time mom, so I know what that means. I thought it was really cute for a picture and really inexpensive. This was only, I think, $8 at H&M. The other thing that I got from H&M is this really cute set. I learned the hard way with Olivia that sets are the way to go. So I got this in a bigger size. This is 12 months because that's usually when they stop wearing onesies. And then these are the little pants. I just couldn't help myself with the little puppies. Anyway, this is my favorite thing. TJ Maxx. I've talked about this a million times on my channel, on my Instagram. I love shopping on their website because they have so many cute things. Look at these little boy sweaters with embroidered animals. This feels like Ralph Lauren quality. This was $7.99. $7.99. The brand is Rory Wieland. Never heard of it, but I got these in a size 2T, 2 and 3T, just because he won't be wearing this anytime soon. But how fun is this? They just look so classy and like old school. I'm obsessed. And then my uncle is coming from Venezuela, and this is like such a tangent, but he's bringing me all my baby clothes that I haven't seen, no one has seen since the 90s. I'm so excited. Like I cannot put into words how excited I am to put my clothes and my brothers or my babies in my clothes. I don't know, I love 90s style. I love old clothes. I love like things like this. I cannot wait to show you what he brings. Hopefully it's in good condition. It was in El Sótano in like a basement storage for like 20 years, but hopefully I can salvage some of it. Okay, you've been warned that even though it is September right now, chances are you're gonna go to Hobby Lobby and these are gonna be sold out, because we've been to 3 Hobby Lobbies like 5 times, all sold out. My husband was able to grab these. These are the dark brown, and then in one of those adventures we found the black ones. These are an exact dupe for the Studio Mcgee ornaments that they have at Target and on their website for a ton of money. We got these for, they retail for $11.99, but they have everything 50% off, so for about $6. The 2 colors that I really want are nowhere to be found, which is the white and the creamy tan. If you see these, I would just snag them up. Hobby Lobby does such a good job at like duping really expensive designs for Christmas and the holidays, and I'm just obsessed. So I've been grabbing every single box that I can find. But if you see them, do it because they're such a cool look. And I have the Target ones I can show you, but these are shatterproof. The Target ones, 2 of them broke on me last year just by grabbing them. Okay, I have all my Christmas stuff set up just so I could see it and I don't overspend by buying like doubles or very similar things. Pro tip. But I wanted to show y'all the ornaments that I also got from Hobby Lobby. These are all the suede velvet looking ones. They come in 2 different sizes. Smaller ones and then these bigger ones. Then in the individual ornament section, I found these that are gorgeous. 2 of those. They're very heavy, but very, very fragile, so we'll see. But these are the actual Studio Mcgee ones. Oh my god. So they have a color like this. I think it's maybe a little bit lighter actually. These would be the most comparable to these. Yo, they're literally identical. It's wild. Then the set that I got from Target came with a green. This is the tan, and then the whites that are somewhere else. Besides that, the only thing that I've seen restocked is this little wooden guy. It was $15 from TJ Maxx online. And then H&M re-released their little trees. I love these because you can store them flat, and they have a brown color this year that I definitely need to get. So they have magnets, and they're like really cool 3D ones. I usually put them on bookshelves or on top of books. I'll be adding two more, the two brown ones. Please don't ask why my Christmas tree's already up. Long story that you will hear in a different video, but this little ornament I got from Hobby Lobby, and I thought it was the cutest thing. And then I also got this one from the same collection. Everything at Hobby Lobby is 50% off, so these were like pretty affordable, and I think they look so cute in our tree. I was actually waiting until the second birthday cake came in the mail, but I have to show y'all before Christmas time and before she gets too busy. I found this on Etsy. She makes replicas of birthday cakes, wedding cakes, or any special occasion cake, and she makes it into these super cute ornaments. So this is like an exact replica of Olivia's first birthday cake. The theme was First Fiesta, and the cake basically look identical. And then the second one is coming soon in the mail, but I just had to share. It would make the cutest gift for a newer mom, or you know, a seasoned mom, if you will. I think it's so special and so fun. Or for newlyweds this holiday season, I think it's just the most precious idea. And Anthropologie did release their Christmas ornaments early. This is the one that I have from 2021. Why are you not focusing? It's an exact mini replica of their iconic mirror that I have in my living room. It's so cute. It's so heavy. It's a real mirror, and I freaking love it. So if you want it, I would grab it now before they sell out. Also from Hobby Lobby, I got this garland that is little gumdrops. It was 50% off of the $17.99, so I got two, and I'm gonna use these as decor for Olivia's playroom because I'm gonna do like a gingerbread house theme there, and I thought these were precious. They have an entire pastel candy, sweets, and gingerbread collection. I highly recommend if you're into this color story for Christmas. Okay, so a few home decor items. I had this really cool planter from H&M for a while, and they released a bigger size, but it's like a little too big for some of my plants, but it's so pretty. I love the texture. Another random Target home decor find is this little marble tray. I honestly use it just as a candle holder. I think it just looks nicer than just having a candle on top of books, but in my opinion it's a little overpriced. I feel like you could probably find this at a thrift store. Studio Mcgee has gotten really pricey, like their Target collection has, so I wouldn't say this is necessarily worth it. That being said, I think Threshold, just the brand of Target, is definitely stepping up their game. I found a lot of Crate and Barrel dupes on there for half the price. I got this brass bar set for $30, and I've seen it at Crate and Barrel, Williams-Sonoma, expensive stores for like over $100, and it's nice and sturdy. Great Christmas gift for like hostesses or guys getting into mixology, things like that. I would love some thoughts and opinions on this. I got this as like a subtle Halloween decor, but I don't love that the snake mouth won't let like a candlestick, so they kind of all tilt, and obviously I can't really burn the bottom of these because these are reusable, so I don't really know if I like it. It was also kind of pricey for what it is, so I could still return, but let me know what y'all think. I feel the same way about this. I thought this was gonna be a candle, so that would have been perfect, but it's hollow, and I don't really want to mess with putting candles and burning them inside, and it's less brass and more bronze, so I might return this. And this, I like the look of it. I thought I did, but it doesn't really go with any of my decor. I don't know if it's just like a little too rustic looking, so let me know if you think I should keep or return. This is probably the only Halloween decor that I'm keeping out. I actually got it this year. It's from Target, but it's supposed to turn on. I don't know if my batteries are just duds, but let me see. It's like very subtle, I guess, but at night you can't really see the flickering lights, but it's really cute. It was $35 though, and it's maybe sold out. Just letting y'all know, check your local Target if you want it. I kind of shared in my first trimester recap my plans for the nursery. I want it to be blues and airy, but with a hint of like vintagey, almost equestrian with like vintage tones. I don't know if that makes sense, but I'll do a whole video. We're trying to start the transformation soon. I picked this canvas horse art from TJ Maxx online. Then I already had this little one from the Target Studio Mcgee collection. I think we're gonna do some built-in shelves, kind of like the ones we have in my office, like this one in Baby Boy's nursery for storage. And we're gonna do something like this. We just need to go to IKEA. I think that's where I'll put this one, and this one I'll put against the wallpaper. And then I had to share the new outfits I got for the fall and winter from AliExpress. I've shared like a ton of them so far. They range from like $13 to $17, and the $17 range is personalized. So got this little cutie Thanksgiving one. It's a dress, and then it comes with the little matching shorts. This little puppy one, same thing, comes with the matching shorts. Cute little pumpkin dress, all smocked and embroidered, and it has the little bows on each side. I love the print of this one. This one was like $15, and you get to personalize the name. Another like football Thanksgiving one. I thought this would be so cute. We have our Christmas card pictures in October this year because I'm pregnant, so I've been picking up a few holiday options. I have this one and this really cute one with the reindeer smock. So I'll link all of those on my like to know it. So guys, that's everything for today's video. I love doing these like little shopping hauls with y'all because I feel like I'm FaceTiming a friend and just sharing everything that I purchased lately. It's my favorite thing. I'll try to have everything that I can find linked down below. Like I said, do not sleep on shopping for Christmas stuff early. You don't have to decorate early if you don't believe in that. I do, but go buy them now because the influence of TikTok is too big and things are already sold out. It's not even mid-September. So do as I say, not as I do. No, do as I do and as I say in this situation, but I digress. Anyway, I love you guys so much. I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one.